Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome as well. Of course, I'm in my mother's shirt. Okay, anyways, hi guys. If you are new, we are crazy in here, but anyways, yes, today we're doing another exciting video and I am going to challenge myself to use every color that is on this palette right here, guys. Like, I'm gonna apply all these on my eyes today on this video. Okay, so if you want to see how everything is gonna go down, please keep on watching. So this is the palette that I'm going to use today. Is the Hermosa Flow palette, and this is the Daisy eyeshadow palette. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already for this fun content, you are missing out. Please do click on the subscribe button, click on the like button if you already like this video, or if you know you're gonna like it, okay? And also, you guys, click on the notification button so that you can be notified every time I upload. Okay, great. The first thing that we do in this channel, we prime our eyes, and I always use a concealer. The concealer that I have with me right here, as always, it is this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this one that I have here is in color 30, and I'm just gonna dot that into my eyelids. Ooh. I know we've got some unibrow situation going on, but trust the process, okay? I'm gonna take my flat brush that I got from Signature. Of course, it comes as one-sided. I just glued the other part so that it can be easier for me, and also for organizing, so that it can be easy for me to organize my brushes, and also easy to grab, because I always lose my brushes, I always lose my things, more especially during traveling. So of course, if I lose this one, I'm gonna lose both of them, which is a little bit stupid, but anyways. So I have an idea. I'm actually going to start with this color called Beauty, and I'm just gonna use it to set my concealer so that I have one down. Because my aim is to actually start with the lightest colors. I want to go in with this color. I don't know what color. Okay, let me go in with True Love first. I'm just gonna take a little bit, and I'm just gonna use this color as my transition color. So I want to tap and start blending lightly, so I'm just gonna lightly place it near my brows, because we need a lot of space either way, so we just want to make sure that everything is up there, right? So now that I'm done with the transition color, so the color that I want to go in with right now, it is this color called Power. Yeah, let's go in with this color called Power right here, and I'm just gonna slightly put it underneath the transition color, and I'm also just using it as a bit of a transition. You know, every color today is gonna be a transition color. Alright, the next color that we're going in with right now, it is this color called New, and it's a pink, it's a darker pink, and I'm just gonna like tap that color right there, and I'm just gonna put it underneath the pink that we just had, and let's see what's gonna happen. It looks like the orange is disappearing, but we're gonna go back to that. We continue with the colors, and now the color that I want to go in with is this color called Happiness. Is that a good selection? I think so. We have as many colors as we can on the crease, on the lid, so that we're gonna try to have as many colors as possible transitioning, so that we can complete the challenge. Okay, now we're looking a little bit crazy. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with this color called Harmony, and I'm just gonna tap a little bit of that color. I actually need a smaller blending brush. Things are looking hella crazy. Okay, anyways, you guys, let me just cut my crease using the same concealer that I use to base my eyes. I really look stupid right now. I'm not even interested anymore, guys. Like, I don't have the courage to continue with what I'm doing right now. But anyways, I must complete the challenge. Okay, I'm done with the eyes. I'm done with my cut crease. I may have meshed or not meshed my creases, but anyways. Let's move, guys. Let's move. Okay. I want to start with this color called Persistence, which is this color right here, and I'm just gonna start with it from the beginning of my eye. So the next color that I want to go in with is this color called, which one is darker between the two? It's so difficult. Okay, let's go in with Scarlet, which is this color right here. It's like a purplish color, and we're just gonna join it to Persistence. The next color that I want to go in with is this color called Edible, and I'm just gonna transition it with this color called Scarlet. So I'm just gonna put it right there. Oh my god, I hope I don't forget on the other eye, because I tend to forget my shadows. I think let's cancel out Scarlet and put her towards the end and transition Persistence with the... Yeah, I think this is gonna be a nice transition. Let's transition this pink with the red. Yeah, I think we're gonna have a nice transition there. Yes, and then now I'm just gonna go in with Scarlet, which is the darker purple, and I'm just gonna put it towards the end. Now I'm left with Joy, and I'm just gonna pick Joy, which is the black color. Oh my god. Let's blend the purple color with the black. Oh, so now I'll take Dawn, and I'm gonna take Dawn and put her as my inner dirt color. Let me see. And I'm just gonna put this one on my inner corner as my highlighter. Where am I gonna put the yellow? I have no idea. Okay, let's put the yellow on top as our brow bone highlighter actually. Let's see, let's put her here as our highlighter and see what's gonna happen. I am tempted to actually put the yellow as a line as well. I hope I don't ruin this look. Let me just take a pencil and use it as... Ooh! Oh my god, I love that. Let's do that again and use it as a demarcation between... I hope I'm not ruining this. I think I'm done with this eye, and it's not perfect, but I tried. Okay, it's a challenge. So let me try to do the other eye, and I'll see you guys in a moment. Anyways, so we are done with that. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to clean my outer part of the eye. Oh, what are you? Stop. God, what are you? Oh, flip me now. I'm just gonna take the same concealer that I have. So I'm just gonna take that concealer, and what I'm going to do is to clean the outer part, sort of to create a wing liner. If you've been here for some time, you know that this is my always to go step to do to always clean my look. So okay, I have already moisturized my face, and I've used the moisturizer as a primer, and I'm using Cetaphil, the acne prone product right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see because of my light. So the foundation that I'm going to use today, it is this foundation. It is by Maybelline Fit Me, and this one is in color She's Not. So my foundation is on. I'm just gonna use my sponge. Oh my god, it's tinted. So I'm just gonna be using a sponge to actually blend everything out. So now I'm just gonna go in with the concealer. This one is by Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm just gonna dot it on the center of my face. So as that dry, now I'm just gonna work on my lashes. So now we're just gonna apply lashes. But where are the lashes? I'm a mess. I'm a mess. I'm a mess. These lashes are called Popular. Oh, they're called Note Sarah. And they're from the Chinese.
They're so fluffy. Blue, hi. Blue, how are you?
So of course I've applied my lashes on, and I did get my glue. The glue that I'm using is this one by Essence. I did a review on this glue, and what am I gonna say? It's still my third best glue on earth. It's not my best glue, but anyways, if you want to see the review, just go there and see. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna take my eyeliner. This is the gel liner by LA Girl. It comes in a, what is it called? I don't know what this thing is called. It comes in a bottle, and it comes with a pencil. So I'm just gonna dip the pencil. Now I'm just going to close the line that I may have left. You know, always I do that, guys. Like, more especially when I'm filming. Like, I'm just in a hurry. More especially this time when I'm doing a longer look, my camera tends to die. So I'm a bit quick with that. I don't have time to perfect the lash. I'm just a mess. I'm just a mess. I'm just a mess. I'm just a mess. I'm just gonna go back to my beauty blender. I'm just gonna blend my concealer out. So right now I'm just gonna use this powder. It's a mixture of LA Girl and Yardley, oh my god, powder, and I'm just gonna use it to set my face there. And oh, okay, that's not what I wanted to do. But anyways, I wanna just keep on blending until everything is even, so that I can have an even skin. I don't wanna have blotches and whatever. I'm looking hella pale. I'm looking really pale right now. It's like sis bleached your skin.
Hey, did you just bleach your skin? No, I didn't do that. You bleached your skin. Sis, you bleached your skin. Sis, you bleached your face. But I don't bleach my face.
Okay, enough with that. So anyways, let's bring back color to my face. Ooh. There's things everywhere. So now I want to try to bring color back to my face because I'm looking a little bit crazy. I'm gonna go in with this black Opal light to medium contour palette, and it's got instructions inside here. I'm gonna do a video one day trying to follow what they're saying right here, because I never follow. I just dip into both colors, and I'm using the brush by Black Radiance. And what I'm going to do is to just try to bring back color to my face, basically. So don't worry that I just kind of look like a ghost right now, but it's gonna all be all right. So my battery died, guys, so I went on and just removed the head thing and did my hair a little bit. So let's continue. I was still trying to bring back the color back to my face, which I did already. So the next step that I want to do actually is, oh my god, I'm just all over the place. I just feel like today is so hectic. Plus it's freaking so hot, guys. So and now what I want to do is to actually go in with this blusher by Black Radiance, and I'm just gonna smile and blush. Oh my god.